So, I mean, now as we get into May, June, July, that is when you'll actually really, I think, start to see what companies are deciding to do with these tariff rates. And I was kind of interested by this. There's an economist from Pantheon Macroeconomics. He said he believed that the core PCE would peak later this year between 3 and 3.5% if the current mix of tariffs remained in place. And I continue to believe it's going to be difficult to actually really estimate the impact of tariffs because there are so many intricacies within the supply chain. We've talked a lot about that on the show. So I'm almost like, I don't even want to try and forecast it because it's going to be so complicated in terms of what that will be. I do think it's not going to be as bad as some people worry about. I saw this and it just drives me crazy. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment survey said the 1-year inflation rate now by people in the survey, 6.6%. I don't see that happening. This guy, I think the 3.5%, I think that's definitely very possible. But even with a PCE around 3%, I don't see that as being a bad thing for the economy.
Well, I think, it's impossible to predict what's going to happen with tariffs. It's happening. There's changes every single day depending on what the administration is doing and what different courts are doing and judges are doing, what other countries are doing. So there's constant change in that. And then we really don't know how long that's going to go on. So the raise in the PCE or the raise of inflation, I think, has a big influence on how long these tariffs last, which I don't think anybody intends them, including President Trump, for these tariffs to be a perpetual thing. It's more of a bargaining chip.
I don't know. I mean, it seems almost like that 10% baseline, he's kind of intrigued as having that on as a permanent tax. I mean, we'll see. I don't know.
He changes his mind all the time.
He does. So. And again, he always says it's the art of the deal, the negotiation tactic. You don't really want other people to know what your ultimate plan is.
Right.
So, I mean, we'll have to see. But if it even stayed on as a 10% level, I don't think that's going to cause big problems in inflation. I still am looking for the Federal Reserve to maybe cut rates maybe 2 times this year.